Hello everyone. Next we are going to make a cactus with our hand shape, starting by making the structure of the cactus. We're going to make the pot, then we're going to detail it from outside. After it is done, we're going to make some pores inside. Then you can color it with any color you want. Here we are using this green color for coloring it. Let's move ahead. Here we are going to make some red chilies hanging on a tree, starting by taking our fingers for the shapes. We are going to complete the shape and then we are going to make the trees and then detailing it as well. Then you can color it with any color you want. Here we have used green color for the upper part of the chilies and the leaves and red color for the red chili itself. Next, we are going to make a bird using our hand shape, starting by making the structure with our hand. We're going to move ahead towards its details, including the eyes, beak and the wings. Then we are going to draw some leaves on the top, as you can see. Now you can color it with any color you want. Here we are using red color for the beak and blue color for coloring the bird. Next, we are going to make a house and a tree, starting by making the house. We will be drawing the structure of the house first. Then beside the house, we are going to make a tree, starting by making its trunk and then the green part. After that, we're gonna draw the details on the house like windows, chimney and the door. And when it's ready, we are going to make a pathway in front of the house. Now you can color it as per you want with any color.